All right, guys, on lesson 5.4, let me put that up there. You're still working with multiplying if you've got multiples of tens, okay? So like numbers that end in zeros, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. When you're multiplying that times a single digit. All right, so I've put on the board 5 times 30. This means I have to have 5 groups of 30, okay? Well, my picture's not too great, but you probably know these are base 10 blocks. So this is 10, this is 10, and this is 10. So I've got one group of 30, because 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. Two groups of 30, three groups of 30, four groups of 30, five groups of 30. Okay, and I have the problem down here. 5 times 30 equals blank 10. So I need to look up here and see how many groups of 10s I have. Well, I see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 15 10s. Well, then I need to know how much is 15 10s, okay? So think about counting by tens 15 times. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's 10 times. 110, 120, 130, 140, and 150. Okay? So 150 or 15 tens equals 150. Now, think about what I showed you on the last lesson, what an easy trick way is. If I have 5 times 30, I can always cover the 0. 5 times 3 is 15. And add 1 0. Okay? This lesson also shows you how to do this problem by using a number line. Now, I'm not a big fan of a number line, but a lot of kids understand it easier, okay? So I'm going to draw a number line, and we're still doing 5 times 30. But I'm going to count by tens, okay, because we're doing multiples of 10. So this is going to be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So this, of course, is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, and 180. All right, so this tells me how many jumps I have to make. So I'm going to have to make 5 big jumps, and I got to have 30 in each jump. So if I go 10, 20, 30, that's one jump. Now start back on that 30, 10, 20, 30. That's 2 jumps. 10, 20, 30. That's 3 jumps. 10, 20, 30. That's 4 jumps. And make sure you're going back to where the last jump ended and you start counting from there. So I start here and I go 10, 20, 30, and that's the 150 line. And that's jump number 5. So that shows that 5 times 30 equals 150. Now, if a number line gets kind of confusing to you, do it the trick way first. Cover your 0 and work it and get your answer so you kind of have an idea of where your number line should go to.